welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Callie. I create all things New York City and lifestyle content. Can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm wearing a sweater in June. Today, the high is 66. We're in the middle of June and the high is 66. This weather is crazy. Anyway, I'm very excited for today's video because just because it's rainy and cloudy out isn't gonna stop us from going to New York City. As many of you may know, the Upper East Side is my favorite neighborhood in Manhattan, and I'm so excited to go back today and explore and take you guys with me. I also feel like the past couple of times I've been going to New York City, I've been checking out the West Village a lot, Soho. In my last video, you saw I went to Hudson Yards and Chelsea, so I'm trying to change it up as much as I can. I will be going to Brooklyn later this week, so stay tuned for that video. Anyway, I'm gonna finish packing and getting ready to go. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Obi has been so hyper this morning. He has got the zoomies, and unfortunately, you cannot come to the city with me because I would probably lose you. Anyway, let's catch this train and go to New York City. Not you, just me. All right, guys, I made it to Grand Central. We're gonna take the subway, head up to the Upper East Side, and grab a bite to eat. All right, guys, we're going to one of my favorite bagel shops in New York City. We're going to Pop Up Bagels, and then we're gonna go have our bagels at a park. So I will check in with you guys when I get my bagels. It is full-blown raining. Thank God I brought my umbrella. All right, I don't know if I should go to the park because it's raining. I did get my bagels. We will find a place to eat these, I am sure of it. So since it is raining, I did buy a ticket to the Met Museum, so I will be taking you guys with me to that. Perfect rainy day activity. I don't know if I even mentioned I was going to the Met Museum in my intro, but that's the plan for today. While we look for a place to eat our bagels, let's look at some beautiful townhomes. I think there's something special about walking around New York City with the rain, and it is really coming down. I don't think you guys can see it as much as I can, but it's coming down. Thank God I brought my umbrella. All right, I found a park bench outside the Met, so we'll go in there when I'm done eating my bagels. My bag is a little wet, but it's gonna be fine. Got scallion, cream cheese, and like you guys, this was in my last video that I went to Pop Up Bagels, but you take your bagel and you dip it in the cream cheese. All right, guys, first bite. Just as good as I remember it. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my bagels, scarf this down. We're gonna go to the Met. If you are a tri-state resident, it's pay what you wish. Sorry for talking with my mouth full, I'm starving. All right, guys, I'm going into the Met. It is pay what you wish if you're a tri-state resident. Adults are $30, and I think kids are 10, but I'll double check that on the website. But anyway, let's go into the museum and see what's going on. I'm in the Greek mythology section, and it's giving me Hercules vibes from Disney. if you plan on coming to New York City and there's a rainy day, definitely come to the Met Museum. Also, this place is huge. I think you need like 2 days to explore the entire museum. Anyway, let's finish checking it out and see what else we can find. Sorry it's dark in here, but I'm in the Egyptian section and there's a whole thing about the Book of Dead, Imhotep. If you know the Mummy 1999 movie, actually one of the better movies out there. But they have scripture from the Book of Dead, so let me show you guys. Definitely going home tonight and watching the Mummy. Alright, we're going up the famous stairs inside the Met. We're gonna go check out the pictures, the portraits. I think that's my favorite part of the Met Museum. I think I have explored all the portraits. We're gonna go down there, see what we can find, and then I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. This is my favorite part of the entire museum. It is so beautiful in here. All right, it is still raining. The Met was a lot of fun. Again, the museum is huge. There's so many videos I probably could have taken, but I wanted to make this day more about enjoying New York City in the rain, the Upper East Side. You guys know what I'm getting at. I am sure if you wanted to see a more in-depth Met Museum video, I'm sure that you could find one on YouTube. Okay, so it is raining. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go towards East End Avenue. There is a park over there. It's Carl something. I will link it below. We're gonna go check that out. We're gonna go look at some beautiful townhomes. We're gonna go into a bookstore that I haven't been into yet, so stick around for that. Once again, I am just in love with the Upper East Side, with the charm and the history. It is just so beautiful over here. Also, if you've been to New York City, comment below what your favorite neighborhood is. walking towards a famous stoop in the Upper East Side. It's on 78th between 2nd and 3rd. They decorate their stoop for all the seasons, Halloween, Christmas, spring, summer. So I'm curious to see what it looks like for the summertime. And we will be doing a full-blown fall New York City video in the coming months. And I am so excited for that. I know summer just started, but I love fall and Christmas. The stoop is so cute, and I can't wait to go back for all the other seasons to see how they decorate it. So I just had a delicious kale salad for lunch. I needed something. My stomach was starting to talk to me. The rain has not let up, unfortunately, but I'm still gonna take you guys to this park. It's all the way on East End Avenue. So I'm actually excited because I've never been to it and it looks really nice. I know the first word is like Carl something, but again, I'll have it linked in the video below. All right, before we go to this park, I wanna check out this bookstore that's just around the corner. That was one of the coolest bookstores I've ever been into in New York City. It's like a fantasy of mine to own a bookstore and live upstairs. They had 2 kitties, which was really cool. I love when bookstores have cats. All right, friends, I'm gonna head over to this park. I really do wish that the rain would let up, but it's been raining literally all day since I've been here. The street that I'm on looks really pretty, so let me show you guys what I see. I'm into the park and it is pretty in here. They have flowers. Can't believe I've never been to this park. It is on the complete east side of Manhattan. So there is, you could see the East River. I'll see if I can show you guys that, but it is really nice. And obviously it's raining, the weather's not that great, but we're making the most out of it, right? Only time that I wish the sun was out and it wasn't raining, because I'm sure when the sun is out and there's no clouds in the sky, this park looks even prettier. But I am sure we will be back when the weather is much nicer. Guys, we're gonna go get frozen hot chocolate. I know that sounds crazy. We're gonna start heading towards 5th Avenue, kind of start going up that way. We're gonna go to Glace. They're supposed to have a special for summer. They usually have like hot chocolate, but they're selling frozen hot chocolate. So I'm very excited to take you guys with me and try that. But until then, I will show you some more scenic B-roll of some beautiful townhomes and some more of this park. If you're still here and watching this video, make sure to comment below what your favorite part has been so far. I went into Barnes & Noble and got 2 books. What's her name? Lisa Jewell. She's one of my favorite thriller authors, and she came out with a new thriller, so I had to get it. I also didn't want to film too much there because I feel like you guys see me go to Barnes & Nobles and pretty much all of my New York City videos. Anyway, I'm gonna head over to get that frozen hot chocolate. Did not get the frozen hot chocolate, but I did get the brown butter vanilla ice cream with pistachio hard shell. So good. So good. So that ice cream was delicious, and now I'm a little chilly after eating it. I'm gonna stop on 86th and Madison and go into Butterfield Market and get some goodies to have for dinner later. All right, I got chicken salad, 2 chocolate chip cookies. I got Jason a donut to have for later, so I am all set for the night. With that being said, I'm gonna close my video out here. The weather was not on our side, but we sure made the most of it, and I'm so glad that I got to bring you guys with me on this crazy adventure in New York City on the Upper East Side. We did so much today. We went to the Met, we went to East End Avenue, we went to that beautiful park and that really cool bookstore. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I have so many other New York City adventures coming to my channel, along with some lifestyle and some really fun summer videos coming soon. All right, guys, before I blow away, I will see you guys in the next adventure. Bye.